Right, well today's episode will be an unboxing. I got myself another Razer product, the Synosa V2, and as promised to the glorious Father Pelican, I'm using my It's Not an Axe to open it. So, I don't actually see any tape to cut. Oh look, tape! There you go, Father Pelican. Oh, look at that. It's even plastic wrapped. Just like your parents should have done. Except with rubber. Right, we got... Fuck me, that's long. Look at that length of that fucking cable. Now, it's got the typical green USB with a gay little cover that I've just sealated. Let's get this shit out. I'll be right back. Rightio. So the Razer Synos V2 is a membrane keyboard, and it's really nice. It's got some nice RGB, it actually changes, unlike my old mechanical keyboard. The other bonus is, I like membrane. I mean, it's nice. This isn't. It's gay, okay? It's gay. Key features. Dedicated media buttons, I don't know. There's some kind of gaming modes, I don't understand them. I'll figure them out one day. For cable management, it's got slotted section thingies and feet to be taller because it's important to be 6 foot. It's a keyboard, I don't fucking know. Breaking news. I got this pamphlet in the mail today. Now it was a good read for while I was taking a shit. It's about the Chinese Communist Party. Apparently they exist. As we can see here, did you know that the pandemic could have been prevented if the Chinese Communist Party did not lie? There you go, folks. COVID is because of the communists that are Chinese. Case dismissed. Fucking seal it.